Hello everybody, this is me, Gabriel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and review this capture card that I just bought, and finally, if it works well, I'll be able to record Switch and Xbox gameplays here, also do live streams. So there was a cheaper option than this, but I chose to use this one because, I chose to buy this one because it has HDMI pass-through. That means that I can have one cable directing the video signal to my computer for me to record, and the other cable will go into my monitor for me to play the game, so I can have it both on OBS and on my monitor, which is exactly what I want. So let's start opening it here. I have to do this background removal because my room is kind of a mess right now. So I'll just open it here and show you. It actually, okay, it's funny because the stickers are on the side, but it opens on the bottom, so you can like open this little flop thing here, but you can't actually open it because like the things are on the side, like the stickers are on the side. So funny, I never seen that before. It kind of goes against the logic, but hey, if it works, it works, right? Since I started making videos in 2011 or 2012, I always wanted a capture card for me to be able to record gameplay and shit. So this is not like the best capture card money can buy or anything like that, but if it works, the image quality is reasonable enough, and it has 60 FPS as the ad says. Here's it. Let's open it up. I mean, I'm happy with that. I don't need like the best capture card ever or anything like that. So yo, it's actually a nice little package here. So it's from UGREEN, more for you. So it has like two HDMIs here. One is for HDMI in, which is gonna be the one that comes from your gaming console, and the other one is the HDMI out, which is gonna go to your monitor. And also there's the USB-C, which there will be probably, oh, so in the front there's also like a little microphone and headset. I'm not sure why they would include this here, probably for some voice chat things that I'm not sure, really not sure here. I mean, you could use your headphones in there for you to not have to listen to like the monitor. Oh, that's so nice of them. They actually include an extra HDMI cable, because like makes sense, right? Because you have to have an extra HDMI cable. So yeah, they include one. It seems, is it HDMI 2.1? It's from UGREEN. I mean, UGREEN is a reputable brand, so yeah, high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet? What the fuck? How do you even make an HDMI cable that has Ethernet pass-through? That's insane. I didn't even know that was possible. That's insane, man. And also they include an USB-C cable here. It's USB-C to USB-C, but it has a little flop thing here at the end that you can actually use USB 3.0 instead of using the USB-C. I mean USB-A 3.0. But I think it works best when connected via USB-C. All right, let's see what else is here. You have like a little manual here, user instruction, which is kind of small. I've seen a lot of videos already. Oh, so they actually include instructions for, oh, can I not? Yeah, this is gonna disappear. So they actually include the instructions for you to use OBS with. That's so nice. All right, I'm gonna try to set all of these up, and when I connect it, hopefully I'll be inside my Nintendo Switch. So it worked. Unfortunately, my Nintendo Switch is kind of far away from the device right now, so I just wanted to try the Xbox first, because that's what I kind of have closer to the laptop, so I can try it out with the Xbox for now. But just gonna show you here on OBS that the video capture device is here. So let's go to properties. You can see that it's here. So one thing that I had to look on the manual is that the audio won't automatically come through. So what you need to do here is to actually choose to use a custom audio device, and then choose the audio device to be the UGREEN HDMI capture. You're gonna see that in here you have like video capture device too. So if I use my Xbox here, it's gonna show that the audio is coming through here. So you're just gonna click here on this little cog icon here, and make sure to on the video capture device too, which in my case is the Xbox input here. you're gonna put to monitor only and mute output, because that's gonna make like the sound come through the desktop audio and everything, all the effects that you already have applied there. In my case, I have the audio ducking thing, are already gonna be applied. So yeah, we're here in my Xbox, and ta-da! It worked. So you can see now that everything's connected. Let me try to not destroy it. You can see that it's blinking blue here. It probably means that it's transmitting everything it needs to transmit. So let's try to... Man, I don't even know what to try first. Let's try maybe Shin Megami Tensei, because I think I already have that open. Alright guys, take a look. Yo, it's so smooth. I'm seeing it here on the recording. Like, even though my computer is somewhat decent, like, just looking at this in 60 FPS, like perfect 60 FPS like that, man, that's insane. That looks so freaking smooth. That makes me so very happy, dude. That's insane. Like, why does this work so freaking well? And like, I could even, if I wanted, I could even literally play looking at the OBS screen because it's so smooth. That's insane. That's literally freaking insane. Okay, so now let me try to use the Nintendo Switch, because I'll have to probably relocate to a different place because it's very far away from this device here. Okay guys, so here's the thing. It would, like, there's so many things I need to do in order to connect my my Nintendo Switch to this capture card. Like, I have to change the position of it. Like, I'll do that, of course, because I want to record Switch gameplay, but it's just gonna give me so much trouble to do that I think I'd rather just showcase some other game here. And like, there's some, I have to organize my table. It's a complete chaos here right now. So yeah, let me just show Yakuza 2, which was one of the games I was wanting to play on stream. Man, I cannot describe just how freaking happy I am right now, because on the ad on AliExpress, they said that on Xbox it doesn't work. So I was worrying that it might not work on Xbox, and I was like, but it doesn't make sense, you know, like, Xbox is just the same as PS5 and Switch. There's no difference. And by the way, this game here is 30 FPS, that's why it's like that. But like, just thinking that I can now just use my laptop for encoding the stream, and it'll have almost no impact, because encoding a stream on an NVIDIA laptop is so cheap. And now I can just play the game on my Xbox, on my Nintendo Switch. And having dual screens, like, I can see the recording on my left screen, I can play the game on my right screen. Oh my god, that literally makes me so happy, man. Like, you guys don't know for how long I wanted this. Like, I wanted to have this. It's insane. Like, the amount of things that I'll be able to do now that I have this setup, it's just insane. It's literally insane. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I highly recommend this capture card. Like, okay, if you wanted it, like, if you gave me the best capture card in the market right now and told me, yo, compared to this, like, that capture card would probably be better. I'm not sure, because it's like, most of these capture cards are over $200, which is way over how much money I want to spend right now investing on my channel. But like, just buying this right now was one of the best investments I've made so far on this channel. Like, it's just insane. It's literally insane. I cannot describe just how happy I am right now with this. So yeah, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, leave the like if you watched it all the way here. And comment down below what you think about this capture card. Do you think the image looks good? Just for you to remember, this game is actually running by backwards compatibility on the Xbox One S mode, because this is a Series X, but this game is not optimized for the One X, so this is running like One S code. So this is not the best image, but like the Shin Megami Tensei 5 game that I opened before this, was optimized for Series S, so you can take a look at that to tell me if the image quality was good or not. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful to you. I literally recommend this like 100%. It works literally perfectly. It is everything I wanted it to be and more. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.